There was a water main break on a orphan section of what used to be Water Street in Kelowna early this morning. The cause is unknown, but the cast iron pipes, 50 to 60 years old, gave way, causing extensive flooding in the immediate area. And right around where the break happened, caused the road to open up and a vehicle dropped right into the hole.
They had to dewater this. They shut the valves down, dewatered the site, and now they've removed the pipe, the affected pipe in the area. It's about 12 feet long, and they're in the midst of just completing their replacement right now.
So you're not sure what causes it to break, but these are aging pipes. You say, how old?
It's about 50, on our mapping, it's about 50 years old, maybe a little more than that.
Right.
That's not uncommon for pipe, and we have plans to slowly replace all of the older pipe over time, and pipe lasts between 60 to 100 years,
Right.
essentially. So when incidents like this, they don't happen regularly, but we anticipate them happening in different parts of the city at different times.
A lot of water got into this apartment building, but the lower floor is just the parkade and the foyer. The area where people have their living units stayed dry. They weren't so lucky over at Willow Bridge, just across the road. A lot of units on the ground floor did get wet, but people inside say they got on it quickly, and people are expected to be back in their beds tonight. Does this then trigger the replacement of a whole section of
We're not
pipe?
sure yet.
Yeah.
We're actually not. We're not sure yet. Right now, this is a fix, and we'll look at the long-term requirements here. We have different spots in the city which are similar, and we target our replacement projects accordingly.